Have you ever wanted to make the perfect omelette but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect omelette in just 5 minutes. Hi everyone, I'm Naeem, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect omelette. Omelettes are a great way to start your day with a delicious and nutritious breakfast. They are easy to make and can be customized with your favorite ingredients. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need eggs, milk, butter, salt, and any other ingredients you'd like to add to your omelette. Step 2. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them together with the milk and salt. Step 3. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add the butter. Once the butter is melted, pour in the egg mixture. Step 4. As the eggs begin to cook, use a spatula to gently push the edges of the omelette towards the center. This will help the omelette cook evenly. Step 5. Once the omelette is cooked through, add your favorite ingredients to the center. Step 6. Fold the omelette in half and let it cook for a few more minutes. Step 7. Serve your omelette with a side of toast and enjoy. And there you have it. You just made the perfect omelette in just 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy breakfast ideas. Thanks for watching.